Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable insights for investors and enthusiasts alike. In today's video, we are going to uncover the 5 key secrets to building a focused portfolio. If you want to maximize your investment potential and achieve your financial goals, stick around. Let's dive right in. Before we reveal the secrets, let's first understand what a focused portfolio is. A focused portfolio refers to an investment strategy that emphasizes a smaller number of carefully selected assets. It allows investors to concentrate their resources, knowledge, and time on a select few investments rather than spreading them too thin. Now, let's move on to the secrets that will help you build a focused portfolio. Secret 1: Define your investment goals. Secret number 1 is to define your investment goals. Take some time to identify what you want to achieve with your portfolio. Are you looking for long-term growth, stable income, or a combination of both? Understanding your goals will help you choose the right investments and stay focused on what matters most to you. Secret 2: Conduct thorough research. Secret number 2 is conducting thorough research. Knowledge is power in the investment world. Take the time to study the companies, industries, or assets you are considering for your portfolio. Look at their financials, growth potential, and any risks involved. Being well informed will help you make confident decisions and stay focused on your investment thesis. Secret 3: Diversify within your focus. Secret number 3 is to diversify within your focus. While a focused portfolio concentrates on a few investments, it's still important to diversify within that focused area. For example, if you're interested in technology stocks, consider investing in different subsectors like software, semiconductors, and e-commerce. This way, you mitigate the risk of being overly exposed to a single company or industry. Secret 4: Regularly review and rebalance. Secret number 4 is regularly reviewing and rebalancing your portfolio. Markets are constantly changing, and so are your investment opportunities. Set aside time periodically to review your holdings and ensure they align with your investment goals. If necessary, rebalance your portfolio by trimming winners and adding to underperforming positions. This practice will help you maintain focus and adapt to evolving market conditions. Secret 5: Practice patience and discipline. Secret number 5 is perhaps the most important: practice patience and discipline. Building a focused portfolio takes time and requires discipline. Avoid impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements or speculative trends. Stay focused on your long-term goals and trust your research and analysis. Remember, successful investors understand the power of patience and sticking to their strategy. And there you have it, 5 key secrets to building a focused portfolio. By defining your goals, conducting thorough research, diversifying within your focus, regularly reviewing and rebalancing, and practicing patience and discipline, you'll be well on your way to achieving your investment objectives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.